Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to kind of a review over my Red Hood face masks. I did have a full tutorial on how to build one, but unfortunately the footage got deleted and it didn't make it all the way through. But I'm going to explain how I built it and we'll just get to it. This is all made from 4mm craft foam. Got it from TNT Cosplay Supply. This bottom half is all one piece. You can see on the back side, I've just done undercuts to get the bubbles in it. I just take a wood burner, run it along the edges, and it melts it, push it together, the foam holds together. This little nose part, there's a little V, just cut it right there, add contact cement, glue it together, and you've got your shape. And then the mask, it's a separate piece. You just add contact cement on the edges, as well as on the edges of the mask, and you just glue it together. I've been getting questions on how I got these eyebrow shapes, and really it's a whole lot easier than what it looks. All you have to do is draw out your eyebrow shape on the flat foam and then cut the line at an outward angle. And then you just pop them out in front and you glue them on top. And they're just layered like that. For these vents on the side, it is just cabinet liner that I've spray painted one side black. And just super glued it in there. Got elastic strap, just super glued on there. This one I should have glued the strap more up on the mask part, like I did for this one. This is the same template as this. I've just modified it, added a few little things. This is based off of the Mask of the Phantasm, and you can see I actually did glue the strap where it's supposed to go on this one. And when you wear this one, the mask actually sits flush to your face. Whereas on this one, since it's glued just a little bit lower, it's a little more uncomfortable. But you can see the mask has a big gap right there. But if you wear a hood with this, you're not going to be able to see that gap anyway. I also have this mask that was originally a partial helmet, and I just cut it off. Added the strap to it, added some mesh in the eyes. This one is honestly the most comfortable one that I have. I can see perfectly clear out of it. I've only spray painted one side of the lens. You could actually use silver for this one. The other side, black. As you can tell, you can see just fine through it. And this one, as you can tell, is a little bit more glossy than the other ones. This one was coated in 6 or 7 layers of Mod Podge, and then, of gloss Mod Podge. Went over it with the silver spray paint, and then the automotive metal cast red for the red part. The black was a flat black. I covered the black portion with the same red, and it just gives the black a glossy look. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you guys want me to do another review on this guy behind me, I'll be more than happy to. Just like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna try to do more videos like this. I'm gonna try to do more weekly updates with videos and let you guys know what's coming. You guys have a good one, and always remember, cosplay your way.